Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your Motorola Moto G10 smartphone isn't accepting your PIN code. First of all, if you have an alternative way to sign into your device, for example, fingerprint or face unlock enrolled on your device, then you can use it to access your device and back up your data either to Google Drive, Cloud Drive, or to an external SD card or anywhere else before performing a factory reset operation through the recovery mode. Now, if you want to know how to perform a factory reset operation through the recovery mode, you have to check the video, which is titled "How to Perform Factory Reset Operation Through Recovery Mode" on this Motorola Moto G10 smartphone on our channel. And basically, if you don't need too much guidance, you just have to turn off your phone, then hold down power button and volume down keys until your device goes into recovery mode, and then in recovery mode select wipe data / factory reset using your volume buttons to navigate, power button to confirm, and then select reboot system now to restart your system, and wait until the factory reset operation is performed. Now, once the factory reset operation is performed, you're gonna have to sign into your Google account once again and reset your password. So set up a new password for your device, and after that, just restore the data from the backup, and that will be all. Now, if you cannot access your system, however, then the best option for you would be to contact Motorola customer support service and tell them about this issue and prove the ownership of your smartphone to them, so that they can help you recover the access to your smartphone without removing any personal data from your device. And in case you cannot do that either, then the factory reset operation is the one option remaining for you. And in order to perform a factory reset operation on your smartphone, you can either use a recovery mode, which I mentioned earlier, or you can also do the same thing remotely without accessing recovery mode. In such case, you're gonna need to use some other device, any device that has internet access. Open a web browser, then go to FindHub website. It's a Google website, so don't worry. All you have to do is sign into your Google account in there, then go to devices section and find your Motorola on the list. Now, I cannot choose I can choose Motorola, but I cannot show you what I want to show you on Motorola because Motorola simply won't show me all the settings on this device, since it's the same device. Okay, so basically, once you select your Motorola, select factory reset device, either here or after tapping the gear icon here. And once the factory reset operation is performed, once again, as I said before, set up a new password for your device, and this way you recover the access to your smartphone. Now, the other possibility that I didn't mention yet is that in case you do remember your PIN code but cannot access your device still because your phone simply isn't accepting it, try entering the safe mode and re-entering your PIN code there, as in the safe mode there are no third-party applications or background activities that may affect the way that your lock screen behaves. And in order to access the safe mode, you just have to hold down the power button for a while, and then hold your finger down on the power off option, select OK on the reboot to safe mode notification, and wait until your device is restarted. Once your device is restarted, try entering your PIN code once again, and in case you succeed this time in the safe mode, before trying to figure out what application could have caused your device's lock screen to behave this way, first let's drop the password by going to settings, then entering the security section. Here in security, we're gonna have to go to screen lock, enter the PIN code once again, and then change it to either none or swipe, and tap yes remove to confirm, and then reboot your device normally by holding down the power button for a while and selecting restart option. Then your device will return to the normal mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.